Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We got a street glide in for a wiring rescue, but it wasn't bad wiring by a shop. It actually got chewed up, had some rodents get in there. So it looks like he's been running over some birds. But the chewed wiring actually ended up shorting out the radio and one of the channels on the amplifier. So we're gonna pull everything, repair all the harnesses, and start fresh. This is actually an insurance claim. The insurance company's paying for the repairs, but since we're an authorized repair shop, it's a piece of cake. Inside the lids. Oh, we gotta handle that. That's no good. But we'll make it right. So it actually shorted out the factory radio. Because the speaker leads had touched after the wires got chewed up. So we ended up going with SoundStream. So now it's got CarPlay, Android Auto. Did DB drive motos in the fairing. Hertz 690 Neos in the lids. NVS Audio T harness. HKI Mini DSP. NVS Audio amp mounting plate, Sound Digital, evox 2 800.4, and Stinger RCAs. This is the SI model, so it's got the RR Idatalink Maestro, which give you gauges on the screen. New speaker wiring to the pods, new speaker wiring harness to the saddlebags. And she's ready to go home.
There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rain. The first thing I met was a fly with a buzz and the sky with no clouds. The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air was full of sound. I've been through the desert on a
Did I stress you out? My sweater's on backwards and inside out, and you say how appropriate. I don't dissect everything today. I don't mean to pick you apart, you see, but I